Join us for this 4-hour workshop on Thursday, May 11th, where tax attorney and national speaker Eric Green will walk you through the IRS collections process and how to utilize the rules to resolve your client's nightmare. It will cover everything from the initial billing notice through the offer acceptance letter. Given the current economic uncertainty, there has never been a better time to add this specialized and highly sought-after service to your current practice. With 15 million taxpayers in the collection division's inventory, and another 10 million non-filers, and with the IRS armed with $80 billion of new funding for enforcement, the need for trained representatives to help taxpayers is going to explode. This special workshop includes a review of the IRS collection process, reviews the various IRS enforcement notices, the IRS's use of tax liens and tax levies, how to set up installment agreements and determine which of the various forms of agreements to use, what uncollectible status is and when to request it, how to file an offer in compromise that gets accepted, how to utilize IRS collection appeals, the tools for managing an IRS representation practice you should consider, review marketing approaches to find clients that need your help. The workshop will include detailed case studies, including all of the necessary forms and letters. Attendees will receive checklists, sample letters, and tons of exhibits that they can use right in their own practice. Eric will also review marketing techniques to help attendees find clients and add an extra $100,000 to their bottom line. Go to https://taxrepublic.com/2023-series-collection/ and sign up for this special 4-hour webcast on Thursday, May 11th. Get great information, 4 continuing education credits for CPAs and EAs, and start making money helping the millions of taxpayers who need your help.